Okay, that's what I'm doing today. I already started, but whatever. I'm putting a new shifter in, as well as a shift linkage, because I couldn't get on this car. I can't get it apart right there, so I'm just gonna do the whole thing. Should be pretty straightforward how to get this off. If you can't get that off, I would recommend getting somebody else to do this, because if you can't get that off, you're just not very mechanically inclined. That's all I'll say. But so I got these four. It's the fourth one right here. These four nuts. It comes off like that. Okay. And it just comes up like that. Bit of rubber. And I'll put it like that. And then, yeah, it's I have this disconnected already. Again, that's pretty damn easy. And then, yeah, there's, I don't know if you can see them. These ones. There's 4 bolts here. It just connects this from this. This is what holds the transmission to your shifter, if that makes any sense to you. You can tell that mine's fucking worn. Anyway, the battery's dying. Video's over, but okay, we got them both right side by side to compare. Yeah, anyway, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. You can see this one's pretty loose. This one's not so loose. Really poor camera work, I'm sorry, but anyways, you get the idea. This is better than the other one. I took the nuts off of here. How the hell did we do that? Okay. Pretty sure we have to take this off like so. My dad helped me with this. I didn't do this part. But yeah, take that off. You go from below. Put that up. Put the plate back on. Weird. Anyways, yeah. 4 bolts. This is from a 90, no, this is from a 90 or something like that, 89 or 90, and this is a 2000, so they're a little bit different, obviously. Like this boot, it's like that. Different rubber. I don't have the upper boot for this thing. I'm probably just gonna do it haggard and only use this one, or cut this one off because I'm putting a new knob on it. I got a new knob somewhere. You'll see it when I'm done. Alright, here's a quick update. This is the boot from the old car. I can't see shit in here. It's getting dark. Boot from the old car. Boot from this car. It wraps on there. So I got these tightened up. Got the linkage underneath connected. It's feeling a lot better. There's a shot of underneath. I don't know what this is all about. Give me a comment if you do. I'm just gonna put it up like that. Yeah. One goal. I did the one closest to the transmission. That one. Now, put all the interior stuff back on, my new knob on, and I'll let you know after that. Okay, so it's dark as fuck. My light is on. My camera's just not picking anything up. I don't know, I might attach that somehow one day. But right now, it's just not together. Still gotta put the screws in for the console, but you know, it's on there. It's on there. It's gonna be tight. And like, I mean, it's not like brand new shifting. It feels a little bit better than that. So, that's how it turned out. Got a little sticker for on top of there, but I know my gears.